Hello everyone, Supervisely team here. Today I'm gonna be introducing our latest addition to the Supervisely ecosystem, Segment Anything Model 2 by Meta Research Group. It is a successor to the Segment Anything model, a popular and well-regarded object segmentation neural network model in the computer vision community. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can utilize it to annotate images. But before we start, I'd like to point out that this model is free to use for all the users, so no additional steps are required to use it. Let's start. First, let's grab a smart tool and create a new annotation class. You can check which neural network model is currently deployed by clicking this button. Then I can put a bounding box around an object to get a prediction. If you are satisfied with the current mask, you can press spacebar to finalize the object. And if you want to improve the prediction, you can provide some with feedback by placing positive and negative points. Hotkeys are on the screen. Now let's quickly segment parts of this car. The Segment Anything Model 2 is class agnostic and helps to segment objects from different domains and industries. And as you can see, it is suitable for annotation of detailed objects composed of many parts, such as cars. We can correct the predictions by reselecting the figure of interest and placing a few feedback points. Once again, I want to remind you that the model is free to use for all our users and is deployed by default. The Pro and Enterprise users can also deploy the model onto their devices, choosing pre-trained weights to their specs and tasks. Now I will show how to do so. First, let's run the app from ecosystem and choose the agent to which we want to deploy the model. If you want to know how to connect your computer as an agent in Supervisely, I will leave links to the videos where I show this process in the description. When running the app, small pre-trained model is selected by default. If you want to change the weight, click this button right here. I will stick to the small model. That's it for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.